Hello everyone. This video is about to control IoT device from a remote server on Cisco packet tracer. So what we would like to show, you can control your smart home from a server. So it can be, you can control from anywhere in the world. So I'm starting my demonstration. For these things you need a home router or home gateway. I get a home gateway. You need couple of IoT devices. Let's go to home. I want to demonstrate, let's say, ceiling fan one, particularly the security camera. So if someone come into your house, you can detect from a motion sensor, and you can configure it from your web server. So first of all, we need a home router, a ceiling fan, just to show how to turn on and off a ceiling fan from remotely if you are not at home. And if in case someone come to your home and you want to know who is the person is, and automatically your security camera start recording that person or whoever with a sensor. So I got one, two, three, and home router, three devices, and I need a server. Basically, this is your home router or access point, which you get normally from your internet service provider. And the server could be anywhere in the internet, could be your service provider or anywhere else. So for this demonstration, I want to connect this home router to this server first, because it's same kind of device, and router and the server is same kind of device. So we need a crossover cable, and obviously connect to the internet and first the net of the server. What I would like to do first, go to the server, go to service tab, go to IoT, turn on the service, and next I'd like to include DHCP service for the home router. So I turn on the DHCP service. I give a name for this pool as home. You can give whatever you like. Home router, or maybe smart home router. Default gateway, in this case I'm giving 172.165.1. DNS server, I'll give, according to my DNS server, I'll give it to same as the IoT. I will apply DNS server with this, or whatever you can keep empty as this. IP address 172.162.50. Start from 172.50. Now 16 50 G subnet max 250 maximum host. I'll give let's say 30, and then I go to configure this server first. I need a IP address on the first Ethernet card. So I'll give 172.16.50.2 subnet max 255. Okay. So that's all configuration done for the DHCP. DHCP service on, and this default gateway, yes. So I select these things and add and save it. So the default gateway will be, if I want to add another router after the DHCP server, then it will be a default gateway. And of course I am running my DNS, like internal DNS on this service, so I will give this one, but I am not applying this at the moment. The starting IP address will be 3 from this network purpose. Maximum host this. For this case I want to make it all of this 0 0 0 0 0 0. Save it, because maybe it will be interrupt with your home router DHCP. Alright, my DHCP server is here, this one, and my home router is here. So as you can see, all the because it is a home router, there is no wireless security systems at the moment, so it's automatically connect. Let's go into the home gateway. Home gateways, if I go LAN, you can see this is the IP address for this my home internal network. It's totally different whatever the IP address I gave in the DHCP server or IoT server, registration server, and this is the internet. So if you go any home router you get from the internet service provider, if you could zoom in, you can see probably you have 4 Ethernet port. That's for local LAN, and this one actually the internet, which can become by NBN or DSL, DSL or somehow else, and it should be Ethernet 45, RJ45 connection. So I'm gonna configure this particular Ethernet adapter with the DHCP. So configure internet. You can see if you go static, it's nothing. A DHCP, you can see already this one got the IP address. First it was got 3, now it's got 4 because I gave a refresh or something. If I go again, maybe it will get 3. Yes. So now we can see whatever I configure on the DHCP server, hmm, it's come on this. So my DHCP configuration, starting address from 3, DNS 2, default gateway 1, same. You can see here 3, starting address, because this is only the IP address. I mean, this is only one the device at this network who is trying to get the DHCP. So it got three subnet max default gateway, whichever you configure under the DHCP. So we already got it. And one more thing you need to do, you need to turn on. Oh, I already on the turn on the IoT server. Okay, cool. That's fine. Anyway, so that's the scenario. To configure IoT device on a registration server, you need a your desktop or laptop to connect to the server. Also, this one will automatically connect to the home router, but you need to configure with a, because it's wireless, need a wireless adapter. So if I go zoom in, I turn off the laptop. There is a one slot already got the Ethernet connection. So I just remove it. Make sure it turn off first. Here is the switch, and I need a wireless adapter, which is this one WPC 300N, and I turn on. And if you go the configuration and the wireless, it should be get the IP. No, not the here. It's the IP configuration. Just refresh it like a static, and then DHCP. No, not yet. Okay, try again. Okay, what is the problem? They turn on the, okay, laptop DHCP desktop again static. Ah, anyway, let's check the router configuration. Home router config GUI. So fine, should be connected this one. Anyway, take another laptop, turn on. Desktop. Okay, I remember that one. Cool. Go to desktop, connect, refresh, home gateway, and then connect. I hope it's connected now. Yes. There you go. You connected your laptop. Anyway, sorry for it's my bad. I can't show you the proper way. Anyway, so now if you go to the your laptop, go to web browser, Give the IP address of your registration server, which is this one. You can copy it from here, okay, or you can write. So I just copy. I give this address, just paste it. I got the registration server login. So the first time you need to sign up. Just give I just admin, give a password ABC123, create a password. So this will be your credential for the registration device or registration server for your IoT devices. Okay. Now if I go webcam config, see it already got the IP address because it's a home right away. You don't have to do anything. So if I go config, well no, physical config configuration, yeah, config. I select here what this is the IoT devices. So I give the name is webcam first here. It's easy to remember. Not webcam. Let's say security cam. Security cam. It's got the IP address from the home router. The IoT server. I want to give the remote server, which IP address is I already copied. Username admin. Password ABC123. Connect. Here when is appear refresh, it will be connected with your home router. I mean registration server. Now I connect the ceiling fan, remote server address, which is the I show same as DHCP server. Password admin, sorry, username admin, password ABC123. Connect. This also connect, and this is the sensor, motion sensor. This motion sensor we also connect. Same IP. Admin. Okay, password. Connect. So what we had just did, connect 123 IoT device to the registration server, which I connected like we made a, remember we made an account here from the web server, sign in. So that's how we connected. Okay. Yeah. So we log out, connect again, admin ABC123. So security cam. Sorry, I should change the name. I should give a name motion sensor. If you don't need to save anything, that's the benefit of Facebook package stager. Okay. All right. So I go back. Should become as a motion sensor, or should change the name ceiling fan as well. Ceiling fan. Okay. So go here. Type the password. Admin. Sorry, username admin. ABC123 is the password. We can change. See here. Security cam motion sensor. All right. So on this stage, we are ready to perform what we want to do on the web interface on registration server. So my rule will be like what I am trying to show, that if someone come to your home, if you set this motion sensor in front of your home somewhere with the entrance, and this security camera will turn on automatically. Okay. and you can see this from your remote server. And basically, if the remote server and where you are living at this point, if you have an access internet and you can connect to the remote server login with your password and account and password, you can able to see your home status. Okay, it's like if I go see, the webcam is on, off, ceiling fan is off. So if you want to control your ceiling fan, if you want to control your ceiling fan from anywhere around the world, you can do it. You just go to the your login into the registration server where you all the IoT devices registered, and you can control them. Like if I want to turn it high, the ceiling fan at the moment, see, it's high. If I want to turn it low, slow mode. If I want to turn it off, it's off. But that's not all about what you want to do. Like obviously you want to see that if someone come into your home, in a house, entering, trying to enter, and you want to see who is that person. Okay, so for that you need to do a little bit condition, little bit more on the devices, IoT devices. Okay, so I close this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so I go, just remember this settings. You need to do some settings on your, let's say, security camera condition. Click on condition, add rule. So give name when someone coming in. Okay, someone in. Okay, so match all, just all. If motion sensor on, this means is true, then say security cam on is true. Okay, condition one. So as simple as it is. Someone in, motion sensor on, security camera on, and it's true. Another condition I can add, when no one is here, the security camera will not be on. No one in, motion sensor yeah. If motion sensor no, yeah, motion sensor on is false, then set security camera on is false. That's all. Nothing else you have to do. Okay. So go back to our home directory and we show a demonstration of this. Okay. As you can see, your security camera is off. This means red means off, and your motion sensor is off. Okay. I just show like that much, then you can see. And here on Cisco packet tracer is an option. You just press come to this windows and press Alt and move your cursor next to the sensor. Sensor is on. Can you see? Motion sensor on and the camera on. So just release the control, the Alt and move the mouse. See, the webcam is off. So bring it again. This motion sensor on, webcam is on. So basically, when someone coming to your home, this one will start recording who is coming. So this is a simple Cisco packet tracer, very simple for beginner. How to set up a smart home with Cisco packet tracer. I hope you will enjoy it. This is not for a business purpose, it's for educational purpose. I hope if someone got help from this video, that's it, nothing else. Thank you very much.